You cannot get 65,000 euro when you want to buy Range Rover. This guy say, when they talk, they talk. I said she not get 65,000 euro. She not get 20,000 euro when you want to buy Range Rover. I said it. Now what I told be that. At the end of the day, when she carried Range Rover come out, the Range Rover was not 60,000 Range Rover. The Range Rover was a second-handed Range Rover. Because she told people that she bought it new. Me, I said that Monica cannot, you know, go get money when you want to buy new Range Rover. This is abroad. Now abroad with them, why not they behave? Even the character one that they use now, people went in Nigeria, not they use again. This is abroad. You want to carry cash car. Cash car, 60,000 euro car. Before you deposit that money, they will control you for that money. This is Europe. They will control you for that money. Yeah, they're going to control you. This is the way they see. So if they carry her now, you hold this one for her. You want carry a passport. They don't say you they drink her like this. They hold on. Camera don't ready. They say, "Mother, what do you have in your hand?" They go open one. Before they will see say now this thing. I don't like to they do with illiterate people. They are full of illiterate. Now illiteracy is too much, eh? Now illiteracy is not fucking too much. I said it. I know they lie. If I do something, they talk. When you talk, I say money cannot get 60,000 when you want to buy Range Rover. I said it. May I even talk and say maybe she bought one. I talk she rent one. You can rent a car. If you want to travel from here, go Italy now. You say you want ride car. If you reach Italy, you will rent car. That one way they ask me question just now. I don't tell them that they will change. They can quick change. Then at the end of the day where she want to go welcome her husband, where her husband they come, want to come they shout. People gonna say, we been this car a new car, we been this car a new car. When Victor said she don't get 60,000 euro, when she gets 60,000 euro, when she want to buy car, you because you think that I'm stupid. Do you know what is 60,000 euro? Everybody when they do fabrica for Europe, ask them whether they don't this when they don't they work, whether they don't keep 60,000 euro for account. Did they? I beg, if they talk sometimes. Do you know why I talk about this car? Because you use something to give as an example. Me, myself, I give you an example too. Then when she close to that car, that is where they still say that car was not a new car. The car is a demolished car. Anything can happen in London. Anything, you can sell anything for London. If you want to buy you my head, they go give you for London. Now, this day, she not going to flush that car again because people don't already see and say the car was a demolished car. Why is it that if somebody they talk something, but I want to say now guess this pass. Now this guy be illiterate. I know they follow person and they do my own live video. As I'm doing this video, some people that have 5 years document, some people that have 2 years document, if they thief before, they will remove hand for thief. In case make it not affect them for future. If they affect, if you like now this one now you thief for market, if they affect this one. You notice that to get passport easy. The day you will go and get your passport, they're going to check you if you have ever stolen before. And if you don't steal before, lawyer will tell you say you go fit cleaner, lie. They're not a cleaner. It's just like a follow the via. Follow the via. Don't just go here. What start illiterate. What I was saying is different. What they are putting on my platform is different. When they carry come here and talk, they don't let me talk again. They don't compute. They're so foolish and they don't get paper. They don't know what is document. If you not true know what to be document, that's why they comment this. If you true get European passport, your comment you for not put on. You for don't say lovely not truth now you talk. Anybody when get passport, even for Netherlands here, even for UK, even for IT, you go say lovely now true you talk. Even when my sister, Anita, when she put in for her this thing, her document, her passport, she go check and say, Mama, if you see whether they carry person, they go check her. They go, they open up the locked door, bra, bra, bra. You know police, they carry you, they go office, when now immigration office. Now then they open door like that for your head. Here, what the noise will don't make bra, bra. You don't hear door like that. You don't hear door like that. Why won't they wear your I will tell you won't bra, bra. My sister, when my sister put in for her own, even when she put in for Kata di Sojourno, she bring this thing come out. She bring up, she go Nigeria, go bring report. If he don't ever go prison for Nigeria before, if he don't ever thief before, he bring the report come. After he bring that report come, he still read the time for a passport. They still go check him. They still go check him. Even her husband, will be still teasing. Even her husband will be still teasing. Where her, you know, say her husband are still teasing now. And her husband, they renew for her, they do everything. Her husband, they still go check her. They still go check her husband. Do you know what is Oyibo? Oyibo knows say you are clean before. Oyibo say after 5 years, you don't know whether you don't change. You be real before. After 10 years, before, do not be thief. After 10 years, we don't know now whether you don't turn to thief. She talk and say how you even go there because why how you want give now you want give her. Now you want give her passport. Ebolore, he can still go. As he do everything finish, then they forgive her appointment. After appointment, don't submit everything finish. You don't do everything finish, then he can't get her own passport. That is Italian passport. The person they talk sometimes, they change them. Wait till you carry me come now. They don't even let me land though. They never let me. These people, they will not let you land. I don't really think most of these people, are they real lovers? If I should have lovers like this, no, I won't take them as a lover because they will push you to a place. They don't listen, they don't have listening ear. That is their problem. Ask anybody that have European citizen, ask them. Go to Netherlands for your come ask. They will say, yes, lovely, she's right. Go to UK, go ask. They must do you to preach. If you want a visa, they do one. Whether you be criminal, whether you get any criminal record. Now, that they boss people come out. Some people, they don't give their passport. They don't give their visa. They will say, I don't put for visa. How many times? I don't put for visa 100 times. Stealing record is already there. You cannot clean it. One person one right, I say you can clean it. If you still say you don't, they don't find out, say you are not playing with them. Later, that was after 5 years, you can clean. After 5 years, clean waiting. Clean where? You wait, don't spend 10 years for Europe. As you want put in for Kata Sojourno. As you don't reach everything. They tell you, say, may you go Nigeria. May you go bring police report for Nigeria. Nigeria, where they for born you, why they not clean and come out for Nigeria? Why they not clean and come out for Nigeria? Stay at the one where they come do for Euro 5 years, and they go play over 20-something years. They not clean and come out for Nigeria. Are you really serious? You know that is full finish. That's what they carry come out. You know, say if you carry something come out, they will not change them. You know, say he got this lady, where they call her Lolo do video. Maybe you will don't see the video. Maybe we need the video. Then on record the record. They get the lawyer with the video. On record. On stand there. Give me. On make Monica come back. He go disturb Monica for you. Maybe you don't see the video. Maybe we're stand there. Give me. Maybe we're feel bono imagine ni Monica bono una feel bono imagine say he go important. Maybe today this woman start to report this woman. The one when she they report at that time, that one a small one. No be she fair reporter for let down for year. When she run come for let down for year. No be she. Do you guys are you no waiting una dey do? I don't tell me I don't explain for them. They speak English. I don't know car or one panel they call me on our way the woman show. Genya make it me when no show the city no J me original no. Or only my I don't talk with I want to finish. Where they do the video, they go now. They don't defend irrelevant defend. They want talk now. They said criminal record no day. They know they check criminal record. If you want put if in passport. Or then where with passport, you know where. That you do all those things. Even from Nigeria self, you do it for Nigeria. I lie. If you don't talk sometimes, they will not. That is why these people they can never have document because this IQ of document they don't run. I don't even know the kind of love when get for person. Something like this, not be waiting that they put for where any day. This one, when it comes to passport, do not bring it on saga. Not even show I will follow that passport. Or not show I will follow that paper where you want to take this thing. No, do not do it. They say, and I lie. And one person right. Jack, maybe Jack say for Italy, say they're not they check criminal record. Or when I check a criminal record, no criminal record to get, if you want for passport, nothing. Even Qatar the sojourner, they will ask you for criminal record. That your criminal record, you'll go bring a code for Nigeria. Ask people for IT, they do one. Ask people for IT, they do it. Then when I want to talk, now go talk say, yesterday, okay, maybe later you go look at. Yesterday, she can't do video. Now person I send the video come to me. Now person send the video come to me. As I call they play the record is still there with me. As I call they play the record, and the person the record and they said that they give me. As I can't see the record, now I got to say I can't hear where that one say when her ex-friend Lolo come to say she must make her say she not get what she want to do, she not go fit do one. Now make me come this morning say where she don't put her reach for social media, you don't do like that. We are choking with this. I think why I pick. Sometimes you tell for you pick and say, yeah, me tell I call you. Hello.
Hello, man.
How you doing?
I guess on my way there. Good afternoon, man. Hello.
Hey, happy.
You don't know from us. I don't see your video again. Why?
You know they see my video again.
I don't see your face again.
Okay, see my face for you.
But you don't hear me.
They hear you.
Well, I know sure, sure.
We want show.
You get what you tell when make me call in. Who said they know they check a criminal record?
Nah, Jacko. Nah, Jack. What you make when she saw the no go again?
You never put in. I make and they make noise.
Maybe Jack. I'm a pen now. I'm a pen.
You never know what he has the process. Now you choose a passport now, mama. You know the process.
Even when
you go do legalization for Abuja. You know what it be? You know what if they talk?
No, I want this thing. My sister,
when they call penally, they'll go check on whether you felt thief or you felt go prison for whom. If they say they're not, they do. Who tell you?
Now last year, now I need to get a passport. Last year.
They do send everything that they bring on. You never even start your process. You just happy for only ordinary result of waiting not get. The person they had the
when me na wegenya or I can't we not janya no ya mulaja because you
know what they start to talk now, not talk anything bad. Then they had to do something. I mean yeah, mulaja.
everywhere. Can't I motor where
No, now that no, I don't want no. Now waiting concern me. Now that I want, now make me say they not they check criminal record. What are you saying?
Okay.
The day when I got to preach here, now you they explain just now. If you see as Ogbalebe, they carry me go inside the Lord dog boo boo boo. Even the Ogbalebe when he carry me go, I never see that kind of man for outside before. That's it top past this thing. Now not the it is so easy. Just
when we're after, if you dey talk, don't fit say, content. Me and I full of being. Na content.
Now what? What is another more now they ask question now? Which one be say they know they check a criminal record? Who tell you?
Okay.
They go sometimes you go ask another person when you do Italy this thing. This even before you know even hard like that. Let me say like that. Nah, you know it's yeah. They say they know they check a criminal record.
My sister, when one know MB, person will not get paper, you not get idea. If they not get paper.
Even if you don't put yourself, you don't need to travel, go Nigeria, travel. You not still good there. Because they don't know whether you put it in, you go commit crime, all those things. It is say, Mama, when you they say just now, say after 5 years you talk, they'll react, say, may you go do another criminal. This in 5 years, even how you talk and just now. Okay. 3 months itself, you go repeat do one.
Okay, thank you.
It's too far. The time when you talk, it's too far.
If they're gonna talk, I go be like say, even your husband when wife give you self, they go check her.
They do it for court for here now.
Okay. But after if they talk, they go feel say na they don't shout.
They cause who not cause them for TikTok. Mona not go far about to na life. How the Europe side be?
I am only you one now.
And why ya fatty waiting make person did this abroad is to fight for your document first before you now face another thing.
Any maybe Jackie now, I'm no J, you not there anywhere.
Nobody write that. What is there? No one here now. Anger they make confused. I be confessed. What is they talk? You sabi what you talk na lie. Then they check. Go ask another person when near you.
Where they not they check. I mean, where maybe on the same maybe.
Audio document. Give me. I'll send this one with the audio. I'll send that to Mama. I go cover my name. Make show you. Who tell you?
You know, say they talk and the office say you don't know what they talk. You know why I thought that one now? Wait till I carry count. They don't let me talk about. They just want to defend irrelevant. Defend. You know. Wait till me I talk. Now got to say as Lolo now don't start. Now got to say this one now when Lolo don't start so she her friend. The fight whether they fight for this social media. Come out. Oh. Come. You with baby. Now lie. See now, you don't go delete her. You say nobody right waiting. No, you work back. Waiting you say nobody right and you right and I make you because you see you now. No, this why should I not concern you? You say that's now lie, you lie. Not to deceive yourself. Now delete this thing. Now lie, you right hand. When they say I don't they talk they're going to delete her. You don't know say if they delete your this thing, you don't know say the comment they go down, they're going to delete her, wait till be younger. You know how many years when I take get document, it is na 2 years, na 3 years, na 4 years, na 5 years, na 6 years. Don't tell when I get my documents. Una dey deceive una self. Una no dey talk say una love person. Una no love any. Una no get anybody who una love. Una no get anybody who una love. That my sister now wey comot. Na last year I dey give her passport. You see wetin they told us now. She do all. Una no get document. Una no know anything. Una go call the help people. They drag people wey no document. You go Nigeria. If you want to put it for Qatar, this sojourner, you will go Nigeria. If you get 5 years, nothing there now. If you want put in, say you decline, they come, say you they go a passport. Now there, you go no say document for abroad. You see this or how if your hand now something when you tell the pick, you say you the thief, you go stop her. If not, if now like you thief €1 Maggie. You dey computer. Okay, waiting and they try to talk when they can't change the topic. You know, say they can change the topic. I be that kind person when be say, if I want to say something, I know they talk something out of stupidness. If I want to say it, I will say it. It will favor people when they around that place at that time. Some people then when they get passport, they'll say, thank God, say I hear this one. If they teach before, you know what teach again. When you get a document, when they want to put it for passport later, they'll say, wow. So that they check. My sisters, if all those commenters when they say they're not they check, they don't get documents. They don't get documents. They use comment and deceive you now. They don't get documents. Do not do it. As I don't talk, as if you reach market, say you the chief before. My sister said you get 2 years or you the build a document to go get passport for future. Not the chief again. Because if they catch you, they'll write them down. You go their computer. If you don't due for passport, from Nigeria, you come from abroad, you come. If you don't thief, they can never give you passport. One talk at us, I say that they after 5 years that they clean up. That they clean criminal record. Criminal record that we investigate you for the rest of your life. The day when you go enter grave. Wait, make I pick my call. Then where I call it. All the funny noise. You know, Mama, you dey hear me? Make I prove the wrong. Make the no fit say you dey talk. I'll come out. I sure me up. I sure no sure. No, I be say me I sure them. Make the no fit say you dey lie. People dey for IT now. People dey for IT when they get passport now. Then we tell them how they get the passport. My Ben. No, not show them. Okay. Yeah. Later. Don't get well. Men I wanna read my dog one. Okay now. You see, if you they talk, they talk this one. I talk if that thing where Monica carry come and say na truth, Monica, where you put her for? I don't say you know the year but it don't concern me. If na truth, where you put her for what? So let it end there. Let it end there. Sometimes people when they'll say, that one, you went this one. Me with you can be fight. Me with you feel they fight. I know they wish you down for. I can fight you. Me with you feel fight. You feel bite me, I feel bite you. If you reach where you want to do your own thing, I will come on. I don't know how to express something because now river now be. I be juju picking. Pure one. If I dey spoil your own, my own go spoil. I don't feel spoil another person when I get children for inside house. You know they possible. But would they do saga? If your own na read, that's the way you carry come match Monica say na read. Where you carry and push so you don't do. If you read the time where you want to go put in, you go put in. All those one where that they say, no, I know they advise you because they know they advise anybody, everybody they Europe. Because if you they talk so times, they will say, you they do this one, you they do this one, you they do this one. Una two one I can't come out. One I can't just day Europe. Now make una day today, una no get paper. They deport you now. country go tell una say make una comot. Una know where una for dey comot. Comot. Germany know where you for dey come. Germany, they know where you for dey come. The country where you for pull hand. Now in Germany, they tell you say make you go. No, if you not go, they'll come deport una go Nigeria. I divorce the show. Okay, you are watching me from Austria Airport. I'm 20 years old. Okay. No, if they thought that you can't be like say you don't know what they thought. This person should at the art person. Yeah, if they talk, they will feel say you don't know what they talk. I cannot disturb make Monica cannot get document. Why go all and make she not get document? She get document on her own. Me, I get on my own. That's it. And they add you, Mama, now you be that. Last year, my sister, colleague, and she still be criminalist. And you want to go sleep? Okay, maybe you go sleep because I can't video now. I go bath. You don't read the time now when baby they relax. Okay, don't read the time. Then if you now wake up, because if I finish now, I'll go bath, I'll go market, quickly go buy some things. Hello?
Barrister. Long time.
Hey!
Barrister, where you call day? I thought they found you. Where? Barrister.
Now my phone spoil.
Hello? How your friend? Fine. Compliment of the season.
Left to you, don't reach me now. Sister Carla.
Do not new month now. New month. Now next month is Christmas now. This year don't finish.
Our children now.
Good
boys.
We dey fry your side. I have to say hello to you.
I will do.
Okay, now take care.
Okay.
Okay, now.
I will check this your name now. I will check and so that I will. Okay now.
I bet if you drop me.
Why you not feel drop yourself? Now me pay for you. You don't go. Yeah. You know. Hi. Ellie, I don't see your this thing. I'll put my number, maybe they come in. No, sister Carla, don't talk. You just say hi. Because you don't say sometimes this your video don't they appear sometimes. You get one person say, are you not they see me for video? Okay, whether or not they do life. I say they do life. Say sometimes you know they see me again safe. You know, if they talk, some of them go come illiterate. I don't do things with people that don't have something here. If I do something with people when be say they have something and they will learn. Yeah, they will learn. Okay, let me just go straight to the point. Why I opened this video, we don't already discuss as this commenter come. I don't already explain for them. Waiting they say, no, they exist. They exist. Then Sister Kola will just call. So Sister Kola, she get passport for this country. You know, she can still explain the way when I still explain my own. If you want to put in for passport in Netherlands, they must check you if you have criminal record. And if you have criminal record, there is no way they're going to give you passport. Okay, why are we saying this? Because somebody can record the live video when Lolo can record that for me. I watched the video. Lolo say she go report Monica. Let me tell you people, the report when they report her, when they say salute to star, when I salute to Sasuna they call her, be went to they call her. All those one they talk that time. All those one are mwe oh. All those one na mwe oh. When you say police can't come my house, police can't write this for me, police can't write this for me. We are talking when it comes to passport, we are talking about immigration, not police. Now immigration they give passport, not be police. Not be police, they give passport. Now, immigration. All your document when you see so. Police, they get their document. For this country, police, they get their document. For this country. Immigration get their own document for this country. Police get their own document for this country. Now, so now they talk. It's not done there in Belgium. Not get. You know, it's not done. You not get passport now. You say, no, it's not done in this thing. Where? Oh, it's done in Nigeria. It's not done in Belgium. I beg. For all your country, it's done. If you want to put in for passport, they must check your criminal record, they must check it. If you have stolen before, if you go prison before, everything. Why be say people wait go prison? If they come back, their document don't die, they know they figure document again. It's the hard criminal record. Is done in everywhere. It is done in everywhere. Even UK there is done in UK. You guys are just, do you know why I don't want to follow now they do something? Illiteracy is too much. If you don't have document, now 5 years, now they want to go find your criminal record. 5 years, I'll be 2 years. No, not be that one. You know where they find criminal record. If you want to become the citizen of the country, because they don't want to give criminal passports. That is why they do it like that. Are you there, my darling? Wait till I can't record, they don't let me do and finish. Okay. I think that whether you say it's not done, no. Okay, now the English now you know right where it's done. It's done in everywhere. Even Nigeria, if you want to take visa, if you want to take London visa now from Nigeria, you go do criminal this thing. You must bring them. They must ask you. Now you see some people, they'll say they denied their passport. Why they denied their passport? Because